In the heart of the magical forest, the brave little bear stood at the edge of a shadowy cave, feeling a tinge of nervousness. Taking a deep breath, the brave little bear reminded himself not to be afraid. Step by step, he was on his way. Suddenly, a friendly firefly appeared, lighting up the path with its gentle glow. The bear smiled and followed it. Feeling more confident, the brave little bear declared, "Yes, I can. Yes, I will. I am brave. I climb the hill." Oh, what's that? A shadow in the distance? But wait, it's just a sleepy hare. The bear laughed, realizing there was nothing to fear. With a heart full of courage, the brave little bear understood that bravery lives inside of him. What a surprise! It was just a sleepy hare, not something to be frightened of. The bear chuckled, understanding that bravery truly came from within. At last, the brave little bear reached the cave, peering inside to find a breathtaking sight. Fireflies lighting up the walls, making the cave magical and inviting. Filled with joy, the brave little bear danced, realizing that he had found his way and that bravery was always within him. As the sun began to rise, he skipped happily back home,